How to add your Twitch link to TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add your Twitch link to TikTok. Now to get your Twitch link, you want to open the Twitch app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now tap on the Stream Manager option over here. Then tap on the Share Stream option. Now you simply want to copy this link. Once you have copied the link, exit out of Twitch, then head over to TikTok. Make sure to sign into your account over here as well. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on Edit Profile. Tap on Add a Bio option. Go ahead and paste the link that you just copied from Twitch. Once that is done, tap on the Save option. And with these simple steps, you can easily add your Twitch link to TikTok. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.